How to install Sketchup for free. Open any of a browser that you prefer. Then in the search bar, you have to go ahead and search for Sketchup/download/all. So go ahead and write that. And tap on Enter. Tap on the first suggestion shown by the Sketchup official page. You'll be redirected here. If you are using Mac OS, go ahead and tap on the first suggestion. Since I'm using Windows, I'll be tapping on Download for Sketchup 2023 for Windows. So go ahead and just tap on it. Then, at the bottom of your screen, you should see that the download has been initiated, and it's gonna look something like this. Once it is downloaded, you have to go ahead and extract from the file and install it like any other application. To know how to activate your Sketchup, at the top you will see this activate icon right here. Tap on it to open and you will find some of the articles related on activating Sketchup. So you can go ahead and read it thoroughly to know more about the activation so that your install can be successfully conducted. And that's pretty much it for this video as well. We hope this was helpful and informative to you, and thank you so much for watching.